Yes, now come on next exercise 4.2. Question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following. This linear equation in 2 variables is given to you. Now what are the 4 solutions? Let me see. First you convert this and find y. Y is single, no? The coefficient of y is 1. That is why I can take easily the value of y after transforming like this. Okay, now I have to find 4 solutions of it. If you take x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, then what will be y? 7 minus 2 into 0, that is 7 minus 0, that is 7. Okay, if you take x is equal to 1, then what will be y? 7 minus 2 into 1, 7 minus 2, this will be 7 minus 2 is 5, no? This is 5. Take x is equal to 2. Okay, then what will be y? 7 minus 2 into 2. 7 minus 4. And 7 minus 4 is what? 3. This is your 3. And x is equal to 3. Then y will be 7 minus 2 into 3. On place of x I am putting the values. Okay, so 7 and 2 3s are 6. Then 7 minus 6, 1. Then what to do is you see here. If x is 0, y is 7. Put value here. X is 0, y is 7. X is 1, y is 5. X1, y 5. X2, y 3. X2, y 3. X3, y 1. Like this way you have to find 4 solutions of it. One more question. See here. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. First of all, you find value of y, because y have again coefficient 1. Okay, 9 minus pi x. So put x is equal to 0. Then what will be y? 9 minus pi into 0. This will be 9 minus 0. We can say 9. Then x is equal to 1. So 9 minus pi into 1 is what? Pi. 9 minus pi. X is equal to 2. 9. 2 into pi means this is 2 pi. We cannot change anything. Directly pi is pi only. X is equal to 3. Then what will be y? 9 minus 3 pi. Now these are the 4 solutions. Then put values here. 0, x0 and y is 9. x0, y 9. x1, y is 9 minus pi. 9 minus pi. x2, 9 minus 2 pi. Pi is pi. Don't take the value 22 upon 7 or anything. Directly you put the values. These are the solutions of it. Okay, x is equal to 3. This is 9 minus 3 pi. 9 minus 3 pi. Okay, then come on one more it is x is equal to 4y. So finding x is equal to 4y, directly it is clear, no? I have to put value of y. If I take y, I can get easily 4 into 0, this is 0. Okay, if I put y is equal to 1, then x will be 4 into 1, this is 4. If I take y is equal to 2, 4 into 2, this is 8. If I take y is equal to 3, so x will be 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, these values you put here. Y is 0, y is 0, x is 0, y is 1, x is 4, y is 1, x 4, y is 2, x is 8, y is 2, x is 8. Now y is 3, x is 12. Y is 3, x is 12. These are 4 solutions of each equation. Yes, come on next question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation. Equation is given to you this. X minus 2y is equal to 4, and which are not. We have given 5 solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solutions are given to you. And which are the solution of this or not, we have to check it. So 0, 2 is given to you. You put the values on it. If LHS is coming equal to RHS, then we can say this is the solution of it. Okay, this is my equation. X minus 2y is equal to 4. I am putting on x, putting 0. On place of y, I am putting 2. This is minus 4. Is minus 4 equal to 4? No. Both are not equal. So, this is not a solution. 0, 2 is not a solution of this equation. Come on for second one. Again you write x minus 2y is equal to 4. Let me see both the sides are equal or not. Put on place of x, put 2 here. 2, 0, this. 2 minus 0, this. Is 2 equal to 4? No, 2 is not equal to 4. This is also not a solution of this. Okay, come on for third. Our equation is what? X minus 2y is equal to 4. Put values 4, 2 into 0, 4 is equal to 4. We can say yes, this is the solution of it. Come on the next. X minus 2y is equal to 4. X is root 2. 2. This is 4 root 2. This is what? Root 2, and this is your 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2. This will become minus 7 root 2. This is minus 7 root 2 is equal to 4. This is not possible. This is not a solution of it. Okay, one more it is. One more. X, y, put value here. X minus 2y is equal to 4. Put x1 on place of y also. You put 1. 1 minus 2 equal to 4. Okay, is minus 1 equal to 4? No. This is not a solution of it. Now the next question is, find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay, now what to do? You have to put simply value of x and value of y on the equation. Okay, see what is my equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Put x is equal to 2 here. On place of x I am putting 2. On place of y, y is here what? Y is 1. So y is here, I am putting 1. Okay, 4 plus 3. This is 7. This is your answer.